there's actually a premium on being efficient and coordination because, as we know, people's attention spans, if you just think about it, have completely changed from 10 years ago to now. So imagine what it will be 5 years from now. People's attention spans are low. So they're going to want products and services done in an instant. So companies will not be competing necessarily because who has the best technology or not. AI is going to make that an even level playing field for a lot of industries. However, it's all about who can be the most efficient, who can produce the product or the services that the consumers are demanding in the best way possible. And you need someone who can coordinate and apply these skills internally within the company, not only for a people perspective, but also making sure that the operations are running internally, whether that is making sure that the different operating systems, the different robots, the different AIs are operating together to go on else within the supply chain, but also coordinating and organizing people as well. According to the World Economic Forum, because of this technological change, we're going to see more people throughout the world with broadband access. A lot of things will be pretty accessible to the average person that wasn't before because of artificial intelligence and automation. It was all about placing a premium on skills that are not routine. So now that we have this foundation, I want to talk about the 5 jobs that place a lot of heaviness on the human skill. These jobs that I'm going to talk about are great careers. These are careers where you won't have to struggle. So the first job that I want to talk about are actually something that I think many people overlook are general managers and operations managers. So according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, this job is expected to rise in job growth in the United States alone by 4.4% by 2034. And if we think about it, we've been told, right, that everyone needs to learn prompt engineering and everyone needs to become like a data scientist. And it's all about becoming an engineer, AI engineer. But we're forgetting that as AI continues to summarize and draft and do a lot of routine work, who is going to manage and operate all the different systems and tools? It can't just be a robot. It can't just be another AI computer managing other systems. And who's going to be the person who's going to make sure everything in the company is happening internally productive-wise? Because it's going to be all about efficiencies. A lot of these companies, even today, have very similar technology. But what is the user experience like? Are the products and services produced in a way where the consumer is satisfied? You need people internally who are able to manage the different systems, manage the operations, manage the people. That's why this is one of the fastest growing jobs that relies heavily on human skills. Because the main human skill that general managers and operation managers need are knowledge and management. So even if you are a blue collar worker, right? If you don't have someone who's organizing the tasks, who's coordinating the tasks, who's right there because things may change when you're dealing in a field like that, a computer AI can't replace that. Now, there may be tools that are going to come about because of artificial intelligence automation, but you need someone with the knowledge and the management skills because that requires judgment and quick decision making. That's why the median salary for general managers and operations managers, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, is almost 103. This is a great career, and it's all about mastering the knowledge and the management piece under the human skill. And the critical thinking skill and the technical skill, those will be dependent on the particular industry that you are in.